Hey guys, this is Autohaus Z, owner of CM Autohaus. We have a customer car today, and we're going to learn how to wire the JDM bumper lights into a US car. There's the JDM lights right there. So the wiring on this thing can really hack for whoever did this last time. So don't ever use these Scotch locks. Don't ever do this. We're gonna take this off and repair it. And then look, there's an open, like an unshielded spade connector. This is like, all this stuff is probably why those lights were having all these problems. So today we're going to learn how to wire the JDM lights, the JDM corner lights, into a US car. So I have my cheat sheet right here. So on the body side, typically on older Toyotas, white wire with the black tracer will be your ground. The green wire with the black tracer is turn signal on the body, and then your green is the parking light. I'd put DRL just as daytime running light. So the JDM lights, again, white, black, ground. The red with the white tracer is our parking or daytime running light. Green, white, or green, yellow is turn signal. And so, yeah. What are we talking about? Oh, Chris showed up and interrupted our video. Cool. Yeah, wiring in the JDM corner lights into a US car.
Oh,
yeah.
Actually, I know a lot about this.
Okay, what do you?
So it looks like he already chopped off the body side harness for this, but actually through research I found out that if you went to like the pick and pull and you went to like any Toyota and looked for the cigarette lighter harness, it's the same plug.
Wow.
Yeah, so then that's what I did. I forgot who told me about that. I mean, who wrote about that on like the Club 4AG forums, like, but I found out a long time ago, and I confirmed it myself because a long time ago I actually got in an accident, and in the accident it crushed the plugs, and then I was able to find the plugs from a junkyard Toyota, and I cut it off, depinned it, just repinned it, and then it worked. So
nice. That's a good tip.
Yeah,
because someone I recorded this earlier, but yeah, someone hacked this thing up.
Yeah.
So yeah, I bought I just got like some generic weather pack stuff.
Yeah, I mean,
yeah,
this works too, just as long as you have something, a plug, you know, so that you could service it.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you're gonna have to cut it or something every single time.
Yeah.
Way better than those janky connectors.
Yeah. So I was talking about, have you seen like the proper way these things are supposed to work?
Oh yeah. So, well, actually, there's a lot of debate about that.
Yeah.
It seems to be a lot of debate about that on the internet. But from my understanding is that if you color match all these wires to the body harness, it should work fine. The only thing that's supposed to work and we don't have the wiring for is this.
Yeah.
And this is supposed to turn on every time you turn on the turn signal. So if you turn the right one on, this one will turn on. If you turn the left one on, that one will turn on. And I think it helps illuminate the roads or something like that.
Yeah.
Right?
So like I know because you're a Honda guy, and I had a Honda, like the JDM parking or turn signal lights that go on the side of the bumpers. Yeah, so when you turn signal on, this is supposed to signal too. Yeah. So that's the idea for these. Yeah. But I think you need like a complicated like relay system to get this to work.
Oh yeah.
It's not just like hook it up to the car. So I think majority of people, including myself, I just wire this up as a parking light.
Oh, okay. I mean, I just left mine blank actually.
Oh, yours never turns on?
I don't turn mine on.
Oh shit, okay.
Yeah, I just didn't bother wiring it. I've seen what some of the drift guys do. They use this as a strobe. Yeah, because then like they like flashing lights on their cars. Yeah. So then some of them will turn this into a strobe, which is pretty nice. But yeah, it gives you options. You can play around with it. But I always thought it was too bright for my taste.
Oh yeah.
So that's why I didn't that's why I didn't end up hooking it up.
So yeah, I'll take a look at the wiring on this thing.
So is this a aftermarket bumper? Oh yeah.
Yeah, he's got another one because this thing's really beat. But so yeah, so if you don't want to run the strobe light, you just leave the red and with yellow tracer empty. But this time I'll run it as a parking light. So this one, and then I have so the red, yellow, and then green will be together. So we'll run the strobe light as a parking light. Cool. Good thing you showed up. That cigarette lighter connector tip was good.
Yeah.
All right, making progress. Got these 3 in with heat shrink, and I got a generic weather pack connector. So we're gonna do the same to the other side, and then wrap these up first, and then we'll test them out. All right, we got a lot of the wiring in place. I put some brush on electrical tape where that Scotch lock was, and we'll wrap this up, and then we'll test out the lights right now. Alright. Cool. Turn signal. We'll do parking lights, and then headlights. Cool. All right, one more side. Actually, you know what? You want to try the lights?
Oh yeah.
We'll do double duty.
Oh, you want me to do that? Turn it on?
Yeah. He's on already.
Okay.
Cool.
I found a door.
Got the lights working. All right. Cool. You want to do each turn signal?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Turn signal. The other turn signal. And then hazards. And then just parking lights is okay. Alright. Cool, we did it. Yay.
Hey.
Alright. Cool, thanks Chris.
Dude, you have a really nice shift now.
Oh, his?
Yeah. So I'm usually not a fan of the bubble knobs, but I like the roses and stuff in there.
Alright you guys, that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe and listen to the Autohaus Podcast. As you can see, I got more work to do. So stay tuned and I'll see you. Thanks again for watching.